Hey, what's up? I've been on about a week opening up a new Pro Wrestling Loot mystery box. Comes with a t-shirt, a wrestling figure, signed autographed, I think a monthly pin, maybe something else. This comes out once a month. If you see anything you like, I'd be selling it on eBay, and I'll have the name of it on the bottom of this video in the comments. All right, so let's open this up. A whole lot of tape on this today. All right, I want to turn it all around. Let me see if I can adjust this some. Nope. So anyways, ready? All right, first thing that's coming out is a figure. I got the Chase, limited edition Chase, pint size all-star, George South. He worked everywhere. He wrestled, and he became a writer or producer, whatever they call him. That's the back. That's right there. It's a Chase. That's pretty awesome. Okay, next item. I want to look. You got the pin. It's still real to me. Damn it. This guy was getting interviewed by Jim Cornette. So they made a pin out of it. Okay, next item. This is Super Lucha Cats comic book. Who's in it? Super Lucha Cats, that's all it says. Brand new. Next item, we'll do the shirt. It's black. And it's extra large. It says Japanese wrestler. Juventud. That's Mexican shirt. He's a Mexican wrestler, but he wrestled for WCW. WCW. But it's black and it's extra large. Last thing we got. Autograph photo. The Berserker. He wrestled in the WWF back in the early 90s. The Berserker. Okay, that's it. Okay, the cheat card out. So the first one was the pint size all-star, George South. So they got two of them. One of them is this one over here, I believe, is the I just lost my train of thought. The Chase. All right, second thing we have is an autograph 8x10 by John Nord, the Berserker. The wrestling t-shirt, the Juice, Juvenile Guerrero. Wrestling comic book, Super Lucha Cats, issue number 1. And lapel pin. It's still real to me, damn it. So this comes out every month. So I'll see you next month for the new box. Talk to you then. Bye. Oh, like the video, share the video, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff.